Hey y'all, it's Kenzie Ray. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this Yaki Straight Wig from ISee Hair. I got it in 20 inches and it's a 9x6 HD lace glueless wig. It comes with accessories and an adjustable strap. So the first thing that I like to do is tint the lace. So I just sprayed the lace and got it to match my skin tone. Then I just went ahead and put the wig on, and this wig does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. So they've literally done all the work. It's ready to go straight out of the box. Then I just comb through the hair, and I'm gonna section off the top of the hair and use a wax stick and my flat iron to just lay the hair down. To me, this just makes the hair look a lot more natural. And I just love that the hair literally comes ready. It's pre-plucked. Don't have to stress about, you know, customizing the wig. It is already done for you. And I love me a nice kinky texture wig because it just looks like natural hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and flatten out the top of the wig, and then I'll catch back up with you guys later on in the video. And I know I might sound a little crazy, y'all. I'm currently dealing with a sore throat and a little hoarseness, so please don't mind that. Alright, so now I'm all done flattening out the hair. Now I just like to do this little extra step, and I take some lace tinting powder and I just put that along the hairline just to make it blend even better. Alright y'all, and that is it for this install. I absolutely love how this wig looks. Like I said, I love a nice kinky textured wig because it just looks like straightened natural hair. And again, this hair is from ISee Hair. This is their 9x6 HD lace Yaki Straight Wig, and I have it in 20 inches. And this is a glueless wig. It comes pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked, so you don't even have to do any work. It is literally ready out of the box. And this is one of my favorite ways to style my wigs right now. I just like to slap me a little band across, and you can wear it as like a headband wig whenever you're like really in a rush. But yes, I am loving this hair. I have all of the information for it down in my description box, so definitely check that out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.